Yeah. Just wanna rap. Just wanna rap. For real.
Yo, I stack the bucks till I have enough. Mad cash and raps deluxe, my rhymes flow like an aqueduct. Can't match it up, then just pack it up. See your boys up on the rise, you can feel it in the rhymes. Hear verses you can't defy from a person you can't define. Just a mastermind with a master's mind, trying to mastermind. We fight to live as if we don't know we're supposed to die. I'm way before my time, I see my dreams before I close my eyes. Telling lies, revolution won't be televised. If real recognize, real the realists don't get recognized.
Real the villains don't get recognized.
Yo, I remember when we skipped class, went to Doug's crib with the chicks and the licks, and we sipped that. Lyrics high, you might burn your tongue trying to spit that. Verses like a gun and you could really hear that click clack. Boom. Yo, flow worth a fortune, but I don't need the fame, boy. Really, I ain't playing, I'm advanced with the Game Boy. But I ain't talking Mario. Started from the bottom, now we in your barrio. Yo, ain't no one else who dropping this far from what the obvious. Been up on my grind and what I kick can make the ollie flip. God willing, we top billing, we not villains, but we killing this kid. It's the young Komodo, spit fire out of the dojo. Sensei, with a gangster lean like a cholo. Keep it real, it'll last longer like a photo. So yo, I cop the 4 locos for 4 locals. Got a locomotive to get on these tracks like locomotives. Didn't notice that my soul's grown colder than winter solstices. With the type of flow that you can move an ocean with. I bring the Moses to your dome and split your organs good.
Recognize.
But I murdered this kid. Yo, how we doing? Happy Thanksgiving. Let's get into it. I ain't new to this, I'm true to this. Like 18 shooting kid, I'm 18 and ruthless. When I spit these haters tuna fish. Salty, the realists say that I'm too legit. Lyrical slugs, you know I always keep the tool equipped. That's some escargot. Yeah, my mind is moving faster than some NASCAR go. I bring the power to a circuit far as NASCAR go. And I could lock up the game with these rap bars, yo. Check Turkey Day. So what's the word, hey? I dropped this on a Thursday, causing damage like an earthquake. 9-6, the world was cursed since my birthday. Thursday, chilling with queens like my birthplace. I don't eat rice, I go against the grain. I mean, you could have $1, but that don't mean you making change. I mean, you could change your ways, but still you'll never be the same. I mean, you could take my picture, but you'll never fit my frame. Now look, I love the salad, see, I'm all about my green. Love lasagna, you could teach a little something by the G. And all about the G's, trying to stack a couple G's. Liquor keep my cup filled like a pair of double D's. Young prodigy, a lot that happened since I started. See hip-hop looking like something out of horror scene. And ain't a rapper out here hard as me. Honestly, low quality is the reason for inequality on the Odyssey. Trying to get your Odyssey, young Socrates. Spitting philosophy is the prophecy. Bad women, trying to kick it like some soccer teams. Monopoly, hip-hop is now my private property. Everything gravy, so I eat the mashed potatoes. My head spinning like a dreidel, just trying to lay low. And shorty sweeter than some maple. Looking like an angel, but I never seen the halo. Ooh, and I gotta have the turkey. That's protein for my protein. See a lot of dudes are sleeping but ain't got no dreams. And you better come correct when you approach me, cause y'all dudes is like dessert and be softer than pumpkin pie. Rhymes hot enough to bake, I'm trying to get that Dunkin' Hines. Cooking in the kitchen, this the making of a winner. Other rappers looking like a Thanksgiving dinner.